us either. As you see like print on their hind legs, they're actually going to be the closest of a relative of giraffe. Both the copy and giraffe have a similar skull structure, and they both also have these really long prehensile tongues. Prehensile means finger-like. So for those animals, their tongue basically acts like our fingers do.
Oh, it's just sitting down.
No. The ants up here to our left. Now the orange one is a bongo. They are nicknamed the ghosts of the forest because they are so good at camouflage that they're actually rarely ever seen. Liberal light ants up here are greater kudu. All female, I can tell because they don't have any.
You see him, Ida? It's a cute.
It's kind of camouflaging with those rocks. These black rhino have no natural predators. They're only as white as us humans. And unfortunately, poaching, there's less than 5,000 in the world. Getting some lunch right now. Hippos are actually big herbivores. They're vegetarians. And eat a lot of plant life they can find. Looks like right now they're getting some water plant. Also some of these large grayish white birds, which are big-back pelicans. Yeah, big-back pelicans get their name from the big spot that appears on their back during their mating season, like they're blushing out one another. In a second, hippos are sleeping, which isn't too surprising. Hippos are nocturnal animals, typically they sleep underwater. They naturally known as the surfacing with the air, ears, eyes, and nose all kind of at the top of their heads. So they are asleep without barely half to it.
Can't see it.
I think if an animal on the road actually causing delays, we're going to hang out with cops for a bit. Even though we're stopping and everyone see it.
See them.
Think so it's for your safety of animals, so we don't fully see it ourselves.
One there.
These guys aren't very territorial animals. They're actually pretty social, and typically we're going to see them hang out in packs of 5 to even 15 dogs at a time. They are amazing hunters as well, and they are so successful just because they know how to work together as a team and take turns running their prey off to extinction. They get their name because it really does look like someone just watered something into their coat. All the giraffes who live out on the reserve are Maasai giraffe. You can tell Maasai's from most species of giraffe just by looking at the pattern of their coat. Maasai giraffe tend to have spots with a bit more of the irregular and giant pattern. It almost looks like a gypsy puzzle. And they mostly live to be eaten, which isn't too surprising. Now when they eat, they are going to use that really long prehensile tongue that they share at the top to do so. A giraffe's tongue is pretty long, at about 18 inches. That means it's long enough they can lick their own eye if they wanted to do so, and they do sometimes they clean it out. If you think about it though, it's kind of just like how we rub our eyes when we wake up in the morning. If you get a closer look at one of the giraffe's tongues, you're going to notice it has a purplish bluish color to it. Looks like it's kind of bruised. I promise you that it's not. However, we don't exactly know why their tongue has that color, but one of the most popular theories is that it actually helps them stop their tongues getting burnt.
Three together.
Yes, Ida.
They eat lots of leaves.
They do, don't they?
Over here on our stripes, just like our fingerprints, these zebra stripes are unique to themselves, and that's exceptionally important for any baby zebra. They actually recognize their mother just based on that unique stripe pattern. Another zebra here on our left alongside some large tails, which are going to be elands, and it can vary isn't suffering too much. This is largely due to the fact that about half the elands in the world live unprotected land like the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. That's why it's really important that we notice that areas like this help these populations thrive and grow. We're to our left, plenty of wildebeests. There tends to be quite a few wildebeests in any given area. They're actually the second most densely tracked mammals on Earth. The mammal you'll find more than the than a wildebeest is just as humans. Now, tucking those palm trees to our right are some collie cattle. There's another one roaming around though, a bit easier to see. They have those really big horns up on top of their heads that made it a lot easier up on top of their heads. good choice. Over there are a couple of African elephants. Lots of times when male elephants grow up, reach about the age of 15 to 16, they do like to leave big family groups, either hang out in solitude, or occasionally we will see them form some migration patterns and nearby food and water sources. Elephants are really, really upgraded bees, and all the vibrations that the buzzing gives off, it freaks them out and it kind of hurts their great pollinators. Now I know you typically don't think of someone as large as an elephant as being a pollinator, but I promise that will help the plants to grow everywhere that they go. And one thing that I've noticed on a lot of the elephants that we see today is that they have quite a bit of dirt on their back. Lots of elephants like to use their prehensile trunk to play dirt, mud, sand, grass, hay, really whatever they can find up onto their heads and backs. It's actually a natural supplement for them because they have super sick. But we're also going to find a few more animals. There is a whole flamboyance of flamingos coming up to our left, and a flamboyance is what you call a group of flamingos. These are greater flamingo, which are going to be the tallest and loudest pink of all flamingo species. They get their pink color from their diet. It's very rich in coffee, carotene. And flamingos eat a lot of dried chocolates. We'll try to head over that way to see if we can better look at her. As we head over there, I would like to keep a close watch on any shadow chasing to our left because cheetahs often like to hang out over here.
It's rhinos. How many?
This layer of animals, which speeds up 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. They can actually tap at its speed of about 70 miles per hour. Why let's look down over their head. Don't see any predators right now, but I do see some water buck over there. Is that going to be those antelope or these darker colors that there is in the females are overall as well. Their nest is actually just up over here to the right, not on this tree. I think that they are in one. There's a whole because we did conduct some of the research for their project right here on the reserve. One of these projects though that we never to talk about is why these elephants are even suffering from habitat loss. If there's any people that is explorers that are traveling with us, you have invited me simple one. That is your secret code word to go get your badge, and you'll find that one on the floor towards the end of the safari. I'm going to greet ya.